Question number 1. What is the normal age of menarche in girls? Correct option is C. 11 to 13 years. Question number 2. What is the most common site of endometriosis? Correct option is A. Ovary. Question number 3. At what age should pap smear screening start? Correct option is B. 21 years. Question number 4. Which virus is associated with cervical cancer? Correct option is D. HPV virus. Question number 5. Which stage of cervical cancer is confined to cervix? Correct option is A. Stage 1. Question number 6. What is the most common cause of secondary amenorrhea? Correct option is B. Pregnancy. Question number 7. Which risk factor is associated with endometrial cancer? Correct option is A. Obesity. Question number 8. Which vitamin deficiency increases risk of cervical cancer? Correct option is A. Vitamin A. Question number 9. Which position is used for gynecological examination? Correct option is B. Lithotomy. Question number 10. What is the main cause of secondary dysmenorrhea? Correct option is D. Prostaglandin release. Question number 11. Which investigation is best to diagnose endometriosis? Correct option is D. Laparoscopy. Question number 12. Which stage of cervical cancer involve pelvic wall? Correct option is C. Stage 3. Question number 13. Which vaginal pH is seen in bacterial vaginosis? Correct option is C. Greater than 4.5. Question number 14. Which infertility picture is most common? Correct option is A. Male factor. Question number 15. Which menopause symptom increases fracture risk? Correct option is D. Osteoporosis. Question number 16. Which investigation is best for polycystic ovary syndrome diagnosis? Correct option is B. Ultrasound. Question number 17. Which fibroid location causes infertility most commonly? Correct option is C. Submucosal. Question number 18. Which cancer present with early lymphatic spread? Correct option is B. Cervical cancer. Question number 19. Which stage of cervical cancer involves bladder or rectum? Correct option is D. Stage 4. Question number 20. Which tumor is associated with Meji's syndrome? Correct option is A. Orion pebroma. Question number 21. Which structure produce estrogen after menopause? Correct option is C. PT tissue. Question number 22. Which condition causes premature ovarian failure? Correct option is B. Chemotherapy. Question number 23. Which gynecological cancer is least common? Correct option is C. Ovarian cancer. Question number 24. Which structure prevents ascent of infection in vagina? Correct option is B. Cervical mucus. Question number 25. Which condition causes infertility with normal ovulation? Correct option is B. Tubal blockage. Question number 26. Which investigation best detects uterine cavity abnormality? Correct option is A. HSG. Question number 27. Which cancer is linked with obesity and diabetes? Correct option is B. Endometrial. Question number 28. What is the earliest manifestation of heart failure? Correct option is D. Dyspnea on exertion. Question number 29. When does fetal heart sound first heard by Doppler? Correct option is C. 10 to 12 weeks. Question number 30. What is nurse primary role in community? Correct option is B. Prevention. Question number 31. What is the first action in ventricular fibrillation? Correct option is C. Defibrillation. Question number 32. Which drug is used in symptomatic bradycardia? Correct option is A. Atropine. Question number 33. Why is head elevation 30 degree in head injury? Correct option is B. To reduce intracranial pressure. Question number 34. Which fluid is preferred in hypothalamic shock initially? Correct option is D. Normal saline. Question number 35. Which urine output is considered adequate? Correct option is C. 30 milliliter per hour. Question number 36. Which electrolyte imbalance causes tetany? Correct option is B. Hypocalcemia. Question number 37. Why should insulin not be mixed with glargine? Correct option is C. Change pH. Question number 38. Which medication is safest for fever in children? Correct option is D. Paracetamol. Question number 39. Which stage of labor has cervical dilation? Correct option is B. Second stage. Question number 40. Which prevention aims to reduce disability? Correct option is C. Prevention. Question number 41. Which treatment is most effective in preventing fertility? Correct option is A. Tertiary. Question number 41. Which leadership style involves stop precipitation participation? Correct option is B. Democratic. Question number 42. Which is an example of objective assessment data? Correct option is B. False. Question number 43. Chest pain patient needs monitoring for which condition? Correct option is D. Arrhythmia. Question number 44. Which patient requires strict intake outfit monitoring? Correct option is C. Renal failure. Question number 45. Which patient has highest priority for rapid assessment? Correct option is D. Unconscious patient. Question number 46. Which drug is antidote for heparin overdose? Correct option is A. Protamine. Question number 47. Which medication is commonly used to treat bradycardia? Correct option is B. Atropine. Question number 48. Which medication is used to reverse opioid overdose? Correct option is A. Nalazone. Question number 49. Which insulin type lasts longest in diabetic therapy? Correct option is C. Long-acting insulin. Question number 50. Which adverse reaction involves life-threatening allergy? Correct option is D. Anaphylaxis. Question number 51. Which condition causes decreased oxygen supply to tissues? Correct option is B. Hypoxia. Question number 52. Which disease commonly lead to chronic kidney failure? Correct option is A. Diabetes. Question number 53. Which organ failures causes fluid retention and edema? Correct option is A. Kidney. Question number 54. Which vital sign change indicates possible internal bleeding? Correct option is D. Falling BP. Question number 55. Which condition occurs after prolonged immobility? Correct option is C. Deep vein thrombosis. Question number 56. Which sign is positive in upper motor neuron lesion? Correct option is A. Babinski sign. Question number 57. Which layer of the adrenal gland secretes mineralocorticosteroids? Correct option is D. Zona glomerulosa. Question number 58. A burn patient with 30% burns requires fluid calculation by which formula? Correct option is C. Parkland formula. Question number 59. Which electrolyte imbalance causes U wave on ECG? Correct option is A. Hypokalemia. Question number 60. A patient with head injury has Glasgow Coma scale score of 8. This indicate correct option as C, severe injury. Question number 61. Which disease is caused by vitamin D deficiency? Correct option is B, rickets. Question number 62. Which test measures oxygen saturation in blood? Correct option is D, pulse oximetry. Question number 63. Which electrolyte imbalance causes muscle cramps and tetany? Correct option is B, hypocalcemia. Question number 64. Which condition is characterized by excess cortisol secretion? Correct option is B, Cushing syndrome. Question number 65. Which test is used to diagnose HIV infection? Correct option is a ELISA test. Question number 66. Which disease is caused by Plasmodium parasite? Correct option is a malaria. Question number 67. Which deficiency causes macrocytic anemia? Correct option is D, vitamin B12. Question number 68. Which electrolyte is mainly responsible for narrow conduction? Correct option is B, sodium. Question number 69. Which vitamin deficiency causes dry skin and eye problems? Correct option is A, vitamin A. Question number 70. Which disease causes white patches on skin due to loss of melanin? Correct option is A, vitiligo. Question number 71. Which organ is responsible for detoxification of drugs? Correct option is B, liver. Question number 72. Which blood component is responsible for clotting? Correct option is B, platelets. Question number 73. Which disease causes wheezing and difficulty breathing? Correct option is A, asthma. Question number 74. Which condition causes excessive urination and thirst? Correct option is D, diabetes mellitus. Question number 75. Which disease causes inflammation of kidney? Correct option is A, nephritis. Question number 76. Which disease causes dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia? Correct option is C, Falguera. Question number 77. Which disease causes severe itching and skin rashes due to mites? Correct option is B, scabies. Question number 78. Which disease causes red scaly patches on skin? Correct option is D, psoriasis. Question number 79. Which system is responsible for producing hormones? Correct option is B. Endocrine system. Question number 80. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Correct option is D. Cerebellum.